Beat, beat, opposite, I said beat, beat, opposite. Beat, beat, opposite, I said beat, beat, opposite. Yeah, now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beat people like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe. Throw your hand up and point they to the thought. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, let me beat like a sheep. Opposite, opposite, opposite. Opposite, opposite, opposite. Beat, beat, opposite, I said beat, beat, opposite. Beat, beat, opposite, I said beat, beat, opposite. Beat, beat. Just got to, you got to beat, beat. I said beat, beat, opposite. Beat, beat. Just got to, you got to beat, beat. I said beat, beat like a sheep. Yeah, so you know how to beat like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do? No. Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Jump to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around.